Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to increase spending limit on your Facebook ads. So according to Meta right here, you can change your ad account spending limit by going to Ads Manager, Payment Settings, and then go to Account Spending Limit and then change it and then enter your new spending limit. So this is how it would look like. So basically when you have your own spending limits right here on your own campaign, you want to choose that and then you want to go to your Ads Manager as stated. You want to go to Billing right here. From billing, you want to go to payment settings right here. And then here, you want to actually go here and then go to spending limit. So as you can see your spend limit. And then you want to actually change that right here or remove that or reset it. And then you can change and put a new input from there. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you increase your spending limit on Facebook ads, but it's going to depend on your own liking. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.